Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into fascinating topics that both inform and entertain. Today, we're exploring a question that has intrigued scientists and the public alike. Are we at risk of an impact collision with near-Earth objects? Join us as we navigate the cosmos, uncovering the potential dangers lurking in our cosmic neighborhood. Before we begin, let's define what near-Earth objects. Near-Earth objects are celestial bodies, such as asteroids or comets, whose orbits come within 1.3 astronomical units of Earth. That's roughly 121 million miles, or 195 million kilometers. Most near-Earth objects are asteroids, ranging from a few meters to an astonishing 40 kilometers across. While the majority of these objects pose no threat, a fraction of them, known as potentially hazardous asteroids, demand special attention. These are asteroids over 140 meters in size, with orbits that bring them within 4.6 million miles of Earth. Now, let's address the burning question: are we in imminent danger of an impact? The answer, fortunately, is not as terrifying as Hollywood movies might suggest. Though the universe is vast and unpredictable, scientists have been monitoring near-Earth objects for many years, steadily expanding their ability to identify and track potential impactors. Thanks to their efforts, we have a clearer understanding of our situation. The detection and tracking of near-Earth objects involve a collaborative effort between ground-based observatories and space-based telescopes. Ground-based observatories scan the skies using advanced imaging systems, while space-based telescopes like NASA's NEOWISE capture infrared data that aids in the identification of these celestial objects. This multifaceted approach allows scientists to paint a comprehensive picture of the near-Earth population. Statistically speaking, the likelihood of a catastrophic asteroid or comet strike in our lifetime is extremely low. For large-scale impacts like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, the probability is even less. However, it's essential to acknowledge that smaller but still significant impact events occur more frequently. Such events could cause regional devastation, damage infrastructure, and potentially result in loss of life. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of impact mitigation strategies. When it comes to safeguarding our planet, scientists and engineers have brainstormed numerous ideas. One approach involves deflecting a hazardous near-Earth objects away from Earth's trajectory using technologies like kinetic impactors. This method uses a spacecraft to change an object's speed or trajectory, altering its path and reducing the risk of collision. Addressing the near-Earth objects threat also requires collaboration on an international scale. Organizations such as NASA, the European Space Agency, and countless others are actively working together to develop technologies, exchange data, and coordinate efforts to protect our planet. This collective endeavor allows for the sharing of knowledge and resources, bolstering our defenses against potential cosmic threats. As we conclude our journey into the realm of near-Earth objects, remember that while there is still much to learn about the cosmos, humanity is continuously evolving its ability to detect and mitigate potential threats from space. While the risk of a catastrophic impact remains low, our understanding of the universe continues to improve, and our collective efforts to safeguard our home planet persist. Stay curious, stay informed, and together, we can navigate the awe-inspiring cosmic landscape that surrounds us. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video enlightening, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest cosmic explorations. Don't forget to like and share this content to help us reach more curious minds. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember to always look up at the stars with wonder and appreciation. Thanks for watching.